In this video, I will show you how to see the X Twitter quote reposts or retweets. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, we're currently here on X. Now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and repost this one here. Now to go ahead and see this and see the quotes and things like that, as you can see we're here, you can see I've just reposted this. If we go ahead and actually press onto this post, we can see all the stats for the post. So if we go ahead and press onto repost just here, you can see who's reposted this. You can see I'm here just near the top, but you can see a ton of people that have actually reposted this. If you want to see the quotes, then of course you would just come and press onto quotes. What it's going to do is show the quotes for this as well. As you can see, all the reposts with the different quotes. And we can also see who's liked this as well by pressing onto likes just over here. So you can see all the different likes on this particular post as well. So that is how to go ahead and see X or Twitter quotes, reposts and retweets. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.